You need to hear this if you're a fan of Angelina Jolie. Not only has she made a monumental impact on the film industry with her unforgettable roles and humanitarian efforts, but her fashion influence is equally legendary. Here's why Angelina Jolie's latest red carpet look has everyone talking. Angelina Jolie graced the 2024 Governor's Awards in a jaw-dropping vintage gown, turning heads and stealing hearts. Draped in a shimmering gold halter-neck gown with delicate cream lace overlay, she channeled old Hollywood glamour like no other. And get this, it wasn't some high-end designer piece, but an exquisite find from the Kit Vintage in LA. But wait, there's more. By her side was her son, Knox Jolie-Pitt, who looked dapper as ever, sharing the spotlight with his stunning mom. Their heartwarming bond was on full display, adding an extra layer of charm to the event. Jolie's minimal accessories let her gown shine, proving that sometimes less is more. Plus, her choice to go vintage highlights her commitment to sustainable fashion, a perfect nod to the evening's focus on conscious artistry. So, there you have it. Angelina Jolie once again proves why she's a style icon, not just for her beauty, but for her thoughtful fashion choices. Angelina's career is filled with iconic roles, from her Oscar-winning performance in Girl Interrupted to her captivating portrayal in Maleficent and the action-packed Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Beyond the screen, Angelina is a dedicated humanitarian. As a UNHCR Goodwill Ambassador, she has tirelessly advocated for refugees and displaced people around the world. Angelina has also made memorable appearances at previous Governor's Awards, the Cannes Film Festival, and the Oscars, consistently showcasing her impeccable style and grace. Her influence on fashion is undeniable, with each red carpet appearance setting trends and inspiring fans globally. Whether she's at a charity event, spending time with her children, or simply out and about, Angelina's fashion choices reflect her unique blend of elegance and thoughtfulness. So, as we celebrate her stunning look at the 2024 Governor's Awards, let's also celebrate her incredible career, her humanitarian work, and her lasting impact on fashion. Stay tuned for more red carpet magic. Thank you so much for watching. Your support means everything to us. If you enjoyed the content, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos, and share this video with friends to spread the word. See you in the next one!